Hey, it's Anissa, and I'm so excited to bring you this crazy deal on the CopperChef Titan 6-piece cookware set. Now, if you've ever wanted Gordon Ramsay's HexClad cookware set, but the price was just too outrageous, well, you're gonna love this set, which is almost exactly the same. Let's take a look at the commercial.
Now there's a breakthrough in cooking technology that's so innovative, it's reinventing cookware. Introducing CopperChef Titan Pan. This is the perfect union of non-stick and stainless steel. The stainless sears it, the non-stick slides it. The stainless browns it, the non-stick flies it. Each pan has a layer of aluminium for fast heat conduction between two layers of stainless steel for even cooking and heat retention. These three layers are bonded together throughout the entire pan. The cooking surface is laser etched to create a steel matrix which is filled with our super non-stick diamond-infused coating. The raised stainless steel matrix on the cooking surface contacts your food to brown, sear and caramelize. Cook on any stovetop including induction and cook in your oven. The straight wall design means a bigger cooking surface and the high sides make it perfect for one-pot meals. It's a fry pan, a wok, a stock pot, shallow fryer, roasting pan, steamer, Dutch oven, casserole dish, pizza pan, baking dish and crisper.
Now, we have researched and tested a lot of cookware. Most exaggerate their non-stick and non-scratch properties, even HexClad. But if you follow the instructions, you season your pan and don't use metal scouring pads, they're gonna last a long time. And like with all cookware, it's best to hand wash them. Don't put them in the dishwasher. Now, you're gonna get this entire set for a super low price, but the star of the show is this 9.5-inch pan that you saw in the commercial. I really love the deep sides that really is gonna allow you to use this and replace just about every other pan. You also get the tempered glass lid, which allows you to see what you're cooking. Then you get this basket. I love it. You can deep fry, steam, and even air fry in your oven. And the 8-inch pan, this is wonderful for making a few eggs. And I like this really nice full tang chef knife. It's really sharp. And you're going to love this cookbook that features a lot of America's favorite restaurant recipes. Now, here's what I'm most excited about is our super low price. You could pay $130 for the HexClad version of this. You're not gonna pay anywhere near that for all of this. Our price is so low, we can't say it on camera. So head on over to the site and grab your set today.